Hello everyone, my name is Giselle and today I will be doing a screencast to show how to place a hold on MARINA. Now this is a really neat function that the Prince George's County Memorial Library System is a part of, and it is really neat because if we do not have a title that you are interested in, you are more than able to request it from another system within the state. So to get started, all you have to do is go to pgcmls.info and it's already there. From here, you would go to Services. And in Account Services, you would select Borrow from Other Library Systems ILL. And right here, it gives a little blurb about what MARINA is. So you can just click on Access MARINA here. And it will ask you to log in with your library card number. And for this purposes, I am using my own personal number. You select Login. And we just wait for it. So here in this text box, you just type in any title that you are interested in. So I know for a fact that this title is not available at the library, and I'll just go ahead and showcase that here in the collection box. So I am looking for a book called Hostage to the Devil. And as you can see, we do not have it in the system. So this is where MARINA comes in very handy. So you can just type in the title that you are interested in. You'll click search. And as you can see here, there are a lot of titles that pop up. So what we can do is in the format, you can select it so that it's only in book form. And the one that I am most interested in is obviously not this one because it's not by the author that I am interested in. So this one here by Malachi Martin, this is the one that I am most interested in, or the one that I am looking for. So this item is available from Howard County and some other one in the state of Maryland. So right here, it says select a pickup location. So you can just select whichever branch it is that you're interested in picking it up. And I am interested in the Spalding's branch. Volumes needed, 1. And then you just place request. Your request has been submitted. And then you will get an email letting you know that your request has been submitted, and it should get to you within a couple weeks. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching my screencast, and I hope you learned something new. Have a great day.